Welcome all of you. In this lecture, we are going to see application area of automation. Okay, these are the main 7 application areas of automation. First is the electrical distribution. Second, process industry. Third, building and infrastructure. Third, fourth, railways. Then fifth, aerospace. Sixth, robotics, and 7 in telecom. Okay, we will see in detail all these area. First, see electrical distribution. Okay, you know electrical distribution. Through electrical distribution, our electricity come from a generator to our house. Okay, then in between that, the distribution system is there, electrical distribution system. Okay, now see, in electrical distribution system there are many components like transformer, feeders. Okay, many switches are there. Okay, then many sensors are used for detecting the fault or where the fault is, area of that fault. Okay, all in this we can use the automation. By automation, if load shedding is there, then by automation it will automatically off the light of that village at that time, or it turn on again after completion of that time of load shedding. This way there we can use automation. Or there may be the automatic feeders, means that feeders are on off, or check the, or there may be automation for checking the loads and checking the distributions, or checking the uh, area where that electricity is not supply, or maybe their fault. So all in this way we can use the automation in electrical distribution system. Okay, it may be used for safety check, then switch control. Okay, for isolation, or maybe it may be used automatic meter reading. Then it meter reading, now it is taken manually, that manually meter reading through that electrical meters. But it may be atomized, that directly it send the reading from that home house to directly MECB office. In this way we use automation there. Okay, this is the electrical distribution. Then next is the process industry. Okay, now in process industry there is continuous process on that products. Okay, so there will be require monitoring of that process or control of that process. There may be some level tanks, so it is not possible to control that level manually every time, because it changes continuously. So continuously monitoring that level is not possible, or it not be done manually, because of it not get that much accuracy there. Okay, for that automation is done in process industry. For example, we take food industry. In food industry, we have to take the temperature, or turn on some machines, turn off some machine after some time, temperature, or monitoring the pressure, humidity. Okay, all these parameter you have to measure. Or for mixing some component or some food component, they have to measure that food component. Then they have to mix that. For mixing is also for measure time, means 2 minutes, 3 minutes. Okay, like this the process industry, the automation is done. Okay, for example, if we take example of parley biscuit, then uh, from many years the taste of that parley biscuit is same. Why? Because if we use manually, then maybe that there may be some changes, because human not get or not give the same quality of work continuously. Okay, so their automation is done so that we get the high quality product and same quality of the product all time. Okay, then building and infrastructure. Okay, building and infrastructure means for building uh, building of or making bridges, means large buildings like building roads or maybe building uh, bridge. Okay, for that automation, where this automation is used, if there is a one mixer, then for mixing the cement they measure that quantity of cement and other component, and then it mix for desired time. Uh, in this way we can use their automation, or maybe there some safety equipment are used, means automatically if there may be one accident, automatically that alarm alarm start or maybe some indicator start. In this way the automation is done there. Or maybe in this infrastructure area there may be automation like cranes are used for or conveyors are used, okay, for material handling. Okay, in this way automation is used there. Okay, next is the railway. In railway there may be automatic signaling, so that railway will travel safely. Okay, so automatic signaling may be there, or proper signaling minimize the chance of accident. Okay, automatic track change. Okay, in railway there may be automation done that automatically that track will change for railway. Okay, then for opening and closing of door, then for communication between railway and railway stations. Okay, then online booking. Okay, online booking of railway ticket, any people can do it from anywhere. Okay, then display warning. Okay, and generate alarm for any fault in the engine. If there is any fault in railway engine, it will alarm. Okay, or give signal. Okay, in this way the automation is used in railways. Next is the aerospace. In aerospace it is used for communication between airport aircraft, then to observe change in climate condition, to provide safety to the passenger, for loading unloading. Okay, then to provide online information about aircraft, to control the operation of aircraft in bad automation conditions. Okay, in this way the automation is used in aerospace area. Next is the robotics. Okay, next robotics is based on automation system, because robotics is used in that area where human cannot work for more times, like welding. You can see the video like welding in the car factories. Okay, in that the many types of robot are used, because due to using that robot they automatically weld that part of the cars, and that process is accurate and we get high quality of work due to automation in that robotics. Okay, then there may be the robot like for pick and place of the component or material which have high weight or which may be at high temperature, so robot can easily pick and place it to the other place. Okay, there is also automation is done. Then there may be the robot which can um, move material from one part of factory to the other part of factory. So in this there is the require automation like controlling speed, then direction, changing direction, then sensing the object in between path or sensing the other robots, so it can work easily or without accident. So automation is done there. Then it may be automatic automation done in robotics, that it can be controlled wirelessly or it can become control by using remote. Okay, in this way automation is used in robotics area. Next is the telecom area. Okay. In telecom there are many parts which are automated, like transferring call from one line to another line, or it may give us services like internet service or other service. So it when it start it direct start monitoring or start it its data, so it can give us bill or it can cut from our prepared balance. So this all the system, it is not possible for handling this high data or high quantity of data, because there are many operators, means mobile operation, and at one time there are many process continuously or parallelly, there are many calls. So these types of record is taking this record or billing manually is not possible. So in telecom there is a automation is done. Okay, it provides services, then it can exchange transfer call from one line to another coil, or to change home network to roaming network, to automatically change from one network to another. Okay, in this way in telecom area the automation is done. Okay, these are the areas. uh, there are other areas also like automobile. In automobile industry there are for preparing car, there are high weight components, so it is not possible to manually pick and placing that component or fitting that component, or coloring the car. For coloring car there may be a robot use, so they automatically color the car. Okay, in this way in automobile area also automation is required. Then in medical area, okay, in medical area there may be machines like x-ray, then blood sugar monitoring or heartbeat monitoring or any other parameter monitoring. Okay, in this way there is also automation is required, or automatically it detect the diseases, so it can scan the body automatically. In this way in medical area also automation is required. Okay, these are the all area where automation is used.